Magnus as a brand represents a range of quality medical products at affordable prices. Significant efforts have been made and a lot of research and development has gone into designing of each product. Highest international standards are adhered to at our manufacturing units in Noida and Chennai. All products are manufactured using the latest technology under the guidance of technical experts. With over 60 years of combined experience in the fields of textiles and healthcare, Magnus is a joint venture between Shriji Polyfab and Chinon Global, aimed to live up to our motto, Care for Life. Magnus products undergo rigorous inspection at each stage of manufacturing and packaging. All safety and sanitation norms are followed diligently at every step.
The Shriji Polyfab fraternity has been flourishing in the business of textiles manufacturing since the past 5 decades. With the current episode of the pandemic going, the use of mask has become very important in life. Not only is it to safeguard yourself against any disease, but also against the pollution that exists. My son Abhishek, after completing his Masters in Technical Textiles from the University of Manchester, UK, had this idea in his mind for manufacturing of the mask. It was his endeavor, due to which we were able to execute and accomplish this.
Our company has now diversified its product ranges by entering into the healthcare sector and initiated the manufacturing of surgical masks, respirators, reusable cloth masks and splash-proof breathable fabric for medical protective suits. All products that are manufactured in-house are strictly according to the medical standards internationally set. Our brand Magnus has a motto of universal care for life, and it is now our goal to reach people with the new normal.
Under the supervision of a highly qualified and experienced team, our focus is on innovation coupled with comfort for the end users. Through reverse engineering, we are focused to ensure quality standardization of raw materials used for our final products. Our product range includes, but is not limited to, disposable surgical masks, filtering face piece masks, reusable textile masks, breathable PPE gowns, and breathable fabric for PPE gowns. Utilizing our vast experience in manufacturing and services, we are committed to creating a superlative value proposition for our associates. Our global network ensures that we can offer our products to clients across the globe. We are committed to make a difference through our efforts and intent. We care for you. We care for life.
In February this year, when the situation related to COVID-19 started getting bad across the globe, we somehow anticipated that this crisis will bring a halt to the entire human life. There was a acute shortage of quality products which are available at affordable cost, which can realistically provide protection against the virus. With that thought of back at our mind, we decided to merge hands and set up a joint venture with Shriji Polyfab to start manufacturing of PPE kits, masks and other products.
Chinon was founded in 2010 with the intent to diversify into healthcare from a family business of textiles. This venture has given me a chance to revisit my roots and at the same time utilize the healthcare network created through Chinon. India is already recognized globally as a pharmaceutical giant, and through this endeavor we also want to showcase quality healthcare products made in India to the world. Taking the slogan of Make in India further, all the raw materials being used for our products are indigenous. This project is very close to our hearts since it gives us a chance to serve humanity in a much bigger way.